Hello, my name is Reverend Bradford with the Redemption and Restoration Fellowship Church. So you've been in church for many years. Well, my question to you is, what have you learned? Let me ask you a few questions so that you can do a self-check. Give me the next couple of minutes. Okay, here we go. What is the method of giving in the New Testament? What is the mark of the beast? Who is the beast? What laws define sin? What year did Israel legally become a nation again? How many plagues are mentioned in the book of Revelation for the Tribulation Period? What value is works for the Christian after death? Define the New Jerusalem mentioned in Revelations. What was Korah's rebellion? Who are the dry bones mentioned in Ezekiel? How many years in the Tribulation Period will the abomination of desolation occur? When does the Tribulation Period start? What was the purpose of the candlestick according to God? Name the 7 churches of Asia. How many names are used in scriptures for Satan? What was the marriage supper in heaven? Where is the scripture? Do you understand what you read? Is Jesus God? Well, there's more questions, but why don't you try those? These are just a few of the topics I have taught in the last 3 years at R&R. If you cannot answer at least half of these, you need to log in and study with us free. Check the information out on your screen for contact, or you can give me a call also at area code 816-564-1043. Give me a call. Take the information off of your screen. Don't hesitate. You need to learn about the Bible, which you profess to be a child of God from.